Good PM, ngayon po ay Tuesday, August 22, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Tuesday, August 22, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong August 22, 2023 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, August 22, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 5.9 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 15.8 million pesos. And Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos for August 22, 2023, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, August 22, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.